Okay, so I'm gonna go step by step on the assignment description page. First one is starting up your AWS instance. I already have it set up, but if you go to launch instance, I'm a Windows guy, so I'm gonna type in Windows. 2012 R2 is the one I'm using. That's the one I'm most familiar with, so it's what I'm gonna use. But again, I went through. Actually, I'll do it again. I tried using the 4-core one because the application that I made is parallelized. Unfortunately, it was giving me errors. I'm assuming it's because I'm on this free account. So I went through and did the general purpose, simple one. Review and launch, and then the next page launches it. But again, I already did that, so I'm not going to do that. When I go here, I click on connect. It's going to give me the RDP file. I already have that. It's going to also give me the password. Decrypt it. There it is. Easy. Copy to clipboard. Here's that RDP file that I downloaded. And I can sign it. I think if I check the remember me button, it won't actually let me log in because security features. I was messing around with that. So logging in, run some custom code. So I wrote an algorithm. Basically all it does is a number of elements. Uh, let's put in 50,000. Random seed, 1, 2, 3, 4, doesn't matter. It's just how I keep things consistent. And I'm going to run every sort on it. Create the array, and I'm going to run the algorithms. Bubble sort may take a bit, but when it's finished, we should get an output. Alright, and we're done. So when I was actually writing this, quick and merge are actually so fast I thought I had a bug. So I had to run a whole bunch of step throughs just to make sure it worked. This is just because I parallelized it and I didn't deal with sending variables that way. Ignore that. But you can see merge sort really quick sort really quick. And then these progressively get worse and worse. Just, based on the algorithms. But that's what I did to test. I could crank this up to potentially a lot higher. But this should show what it needs to show. And then the last step is to terminate the instance. So if I close out of the RDP, I'm not actually closing the instance. In the cloud somewhere, it's still running. So if I come here, right click, instance state, terminate. It will terminate the instance, and we are good to go. It is now going to be offline, done. We don't have to worry about stuff running in the background that we don't want to run. So now our instance is terminated, no longer exists anymore. We don't have to worry about it. We're not leaving something on the background that's going to use up resources, use up, money, whatever you're running on it. So there it is.